Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be making an aloe vera hair butter. Aloe vera over the years has really been essential in our hair growth journey, so we decided to make a hair butter out of it, and we have to say this might just be one of our latest favorite products, so stay tuned to see how it turns out. The first ingredient we'll be using in our aloe vera hair butter is raw shea butter. We'll be using 5 tablespoons of raw unscented shea butter. This is to create the formulation of the hair butter. The second ingredient we'll be using for this hair butter is aloe vera powder. Guys, we'll not be using fresh aloe vera today. We'll be using aloe vera powder. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera powder. The third ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter is moringa. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. The fourth ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter are rosemary leaves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. And lastly, we'll be using in 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin K and E, which helps to reduce dandruff and makes the hair follicles healthy and strong. It also helps to stimulate hair growth and reduces the buildup of sebum. Once you have all your ingredients in a jar, now it's time to double boil it. Now you're going to gently place your jar into boiling water on low heat, and might I emphasize low heat, not high heat. Now you're going to mix in thoroughly your mixture and allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. Mix it in until you can see that the butter is fully melted. After 20 minutes, you can then switch off your stove and allow your mixture to cool down. Aloe vera is so great because it improves the life of your hair follicles. It encourages your hair to grow due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Additionally, aloe vera strengthens the hair, making it less prone to breakage and encouraging longer and stronger strands. Once your mixture has cooled down, it's time to strain it. Today, we'll be using a wig cap to strain it. Now you're going to strain and transfer your mixture into a clean container or jar. This is going to help to store your hair butter. Now to store, you're going to place your mixture into the fridge or freezer overnight in order for your hair butter to solidify. And by the next day, our hair butter was fully formed and ready to be used. Your hair butter can also be whisked into a butter souffle if that's what you want, and that gives it a more fluffy texture. Now this aloe vera butter is not only super easy to make, but also super effective in growing and thickening your hair, as well as healing our scalp issues. How to use? This hair butter can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can then be applied directly onto the scalp and massaged in. It can also be applied onto the body of your hair to lock in moisture and to seal your ends. We would advise this hair butter can be used 1 to 2 times a week. Guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this amazing aloe vera hair butter. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!